Hi guys, I'm here today to show you how to draw a graffiti letter with Procreate. Procreate is an app that works only with iPad and so with iOS Apple. If you have questions about iPad compatibility, just comment below and I'm gonna answer you. But now let's start. First of all, let's open a new project and let's understand how to set size and resolution of the project. So here you can choose if you use pixel or centimeters and you can set resolution. 300 dpi is good for print. The higher is the dpi value, the lower are the layers that you can use in your artwork. Of course, resolution you can set depends on the power of your iPad model. But let's start with the draft. First of all, I select a brush. The brush I use is an airbrush I customized by myself. The line is pretty clean and the thickness depends on the pressure that you apply. You can download the brush clicking the link in the description. Each letter has a structure, and also when you draw graffiti, especially at the beginning, it's important to respect that structure. For the tutorial I'm gonna draw an easy capital D. Let's get opacity of the track at 20% and let's create a new layer where we go draw the outline. Drawing the outline we must try follow the track we did before. Here we go. Now we can clean the track using the erase tool and the same brush we used for the outline. Once we have the final outline, it's important to leave it like that, on a separate layer, so we have a backup. For this tutorial I wanna make a negative color scheme, so let's make the track white. To do that we can use a little trick. Clicking here we can change the brightness value and make our track white. Now just duplicate our layer and let's fill letters. To fill letters we have just to drag color inside the shape. Inside my letter I wanna also make a gradient. So to do that I use the selection mode. I select my letter and I select another color. I wanna use a green one. So now I have to choose another brush and for the fader I suggest to use a soft airbrush. And here we go, we made our gradient. I also want to apply a geometric pattern using our brushes. I can select a textures brushes from here. Now I have to select a color and I want to use a green. So I want to pick up a green similar to the one that I used. To do that, I keep my finger pressed on the screen and I select the color I want to pick up. Make the green a bit lighter and going applying the texture on my letter. As you can see, the selection mode let the texture being inside the shape, and the track layer we duplicated at the beginning allow us to keep the work clean. Now just let's make our shadows. Create a new layer, then select the airbrush that we use for the outline, set multiply mode at the layer and opacity at 60%. Then we select a color. We use another kind of green, a dark green, and then we start drawing our shadows. Let's duplicate the letter layer, and as we did with the track, let's change the color of the layer using the brightness tool, making our shadow white. Then just move our shadow, putting it on the right side, like that. Now we want to make a spray can effect in our background, so just create a new layer, select a green color from the letter and select the spray paints brushes. I usually start with the splatter one, making dirty the background, and then I use a fat nozzle brush to finish the background effect. Now let's duplicate the back shadow layer to make a second back shadow. We use again the brightness tool, but this time we make it darker. With the selection tool I move the back shadow on the right side again. Then I go to the layer, I set multiply mode again, and I set opacity at the 50%. If we like, we can add some lights at the letter using a light green. We use the outline brush and we draw them on the left side. And here we go, our Graffiti letter is done. If you like the tutorial, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have questions, just comment here below. See you guys, and thanks for watching.